So I tap my card. All right. I'm going to select the premium. And then we can be on our way. I think each and every one of my subscribers, one of the subscribers suggested that I chronicle my day and talk about the cost of coming to America or visiting America. So therefore, I will start out by doing this, talking about our gas is in gallons, as you all probably know. Many countries have our gas in liters. I will stop by a couple fast food places that I normally go. Today I went out to play golf and I got rained out. Alrighty. Ouch. Okay. So here's the damage for my gasoline. Ask for a receipt. And I will be on my way. In upcoming videos, speaking of holiday America on the cheap, shopping, these two stores would be some of my favorites, Ross and TJ Maxx. They have everyday low prices on either overstocked last year's season's wear. I'm going to Dollar Tree today. Dollar Tree started out as everything in this store used to be $1. After the pandemic, supply chain issues, they had to raise the price to $1.25. So again, you can do the translation wherever you are. I think it's great for extruded items. It's good for sodas. $1.25 for a soda now is not always the greatest deal. But when you want to buy kitchenware and other type of things, see these appliances, balloons, party favors, it's a good option.
What's up?
I'll just take a walk through this aisle. I'm looking for household cleaners. So, as you can see, they got toothbrushes, foods. So, the kitchen items. So, glasses. I would go and look for a couple of household cleaning items. I don't really want to spend a ton of money on, I'm going to say something temporary. So let's see. Okay, bounce sheets for the laundry. Okay, they've gotten bold on these. They specifically package these now for the dollar store, meaning cost averaging. Let's see. Okay.
Okay. No, tranquilo.
As you can see. Okay. As you can see, they have hand soaps and etc. Party items. And in the back, they do have some refrigerated food items. Okay. Let me see what I can find. These are for the kitchen. They changed their model. See right here. I guess that's the cost of inflation. They changed the model.
Lord.
So, if you're staying in a hotel and you want something cheap, why spend more money than you need? If there's a Dollar Tree, and they are around lots of places, hop in and see what deals they have in store. GoPro stop capture. Fast food. This will be my favorite fast food chicken place in America. It's called Popeyes. We'll go in, place an order, and then we will see. Okay. I'm going to capture the prices. Feel free to pause. This is the typical setup for the Popeyes chicken franchise. There is also Kentucky Fried Chicken. That's not my favorite, but that's very popular internationally. GoPro stop capture. A typical convenience of most fast food establishments is they have a drive-through. So this is the drive-through for Popeyes. Let me take a look at their menu board. I believe it's getting close to lunch. Okay, so here's one lane. Here's another lane. You can pause. You see the prices, and you can make the conversion in your currency. Okay, I'm gonna go inside and order something from McDonald's just for you. Let's go inside. McDonald's. So you can order electronically, and you can order here. Typically I like to have the people interaction. These electronic kiosks are putting people out of work, so therefore I'm going to order something typically I like to do healthy. Today's not my healthy day. Okay, I'm going to GoPro stop capture. Could I get the receipt? Paper receipt. Very good. Thank you. I'm gonna have to. I'll just. Okay. behind the operations. No, thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye. GoPro stop capture. I have. This is KFC. KFC is in many countries. Therefore, you probably can compare the prices here in the good old US of A to what the prices are in your country. On the other side, you did see the drive-through, and we can see the special here is $20. So if you want to convert that into baht, pesos, reals, or whatever the currency is, that would be good. This is a smaller franchise, and I'm going to go up to the front. Feel free to pause the video and you can compare prices.
How you doing?
I'm good. I have ordered lots of food today. Lots of, quote, I'm gonna say unhealthy food, fried foods. A lot of the purveyors of fast food will say that, oh, it's healthy. So I passed up on ordering something from KFC, but you did see the prices. Okay, for those that haven't seen Popeye's chicken before, so here's the meal that I ordered, which is the chicken, spicy. It comes spicy or mild. We get the two sides. I chose red beans and rice, and these are the sauces that come with it. They also give you, quote, a biscuit. In the southern part of the country, in the United States, biscuits are very popular. So, and you can see here on the box, it has a designation for spicy or mild. Bon appetit, bon provecho. An example of the coupons that restaurants put out. You can scan this code here. Okay, I got one bleach, one laundry detergent, and one, I guess you call them dryer sheets. Total was $4.01, just an example.